Hey there, Rebel. Today I'm walking you through 10 tips to get started with print on demand using Gelato. So let's get started. Ten tips to help you get started with your print on demand business utilizing Gelato. Number 1, you want to create and verify your Gelato account. Sign up for a Gelato account on their website. And make sure you are verifying your email to access all of Gelato's features. Even though you are just signing up, make sure to maybe have some designs ready ahead of time, because when you create a new shop and order samples of having your new account open, you will receive 50% off on that first sample order. So I would get some designs ahead of time ready for products so you can receive that sweet Gelato discount. Number 2, walk through Gelato's products and familiarize yourself with what Gelato offers. Go and explore. There's literally a variety of products from apparel, home decor, photo books, stationery. Identify which products are going to work best with your niche and make a list. Save your favorites. Number 3, understand Gelato's pricing and fulfillment. Review the pricing structure as well as their FAQs for shipping, so you know ahead of time how to price your products as well as what shipping is going to look like for your products. Make sure you have an understanding of Gelato's global fulfillment, because they have over 32 warehouses that are shipping out these products. So it really cuts down on shipping time. So maybe familiarize yourself with your location and then surrounding Gelato locations, so you can make sure that you are optimizing your delivery times. Number 4, utilize Gelato's design tool. Gelato offers a built-in design tool to help create or customize your product designs, as well as really cool mock-ups. So do a little experimenting and see what mock-ups are going to work best for your products. Number 5, set up your online store. Gelato connects with a variety of e-commerce websites such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. Make sure your store has all of the right pages, and please don't forget a returns and refunds policy on your website somewhere. It is so essential to have one, especially when you are just getting started with print on demand. Some other pages you might want to include on your website are a home page, an about page, a contact page, and definitely don't forget your shop pages. Number 6, make sure to integrate Gelato with your store. This is how Gelato and your website of choice are going to talk to each other. So when someone purchases a product on your website, Gelato is going to get that order, produce and ship that order for you, literally all done for you by connecting Gelato to your website. So make sure they are integrated. Gelato has very easy to follow guides on how you can connect your shop to Gelato's account. Just make sure that your integration allows for automatic order processing and fulfillment. Number 7, you want to make sure your product listings are pristine. Utilize your SEO and make sure that your keywords that you are using in your titles and descriptions are targeted towards your ideal audience. So do a little research ahead of time to find those niche-focused keywords. Write clear and descriptive product descriptions and titles so your target audience knows who you are and what you're selling. And make sure you are utilizing Gelato's high-quality mock-up images to make your products stand out. Number 8, you want to set competitive pricing. Research your competitors to make sure you are on the same page when it comes to pricing. You don't want to be too high and you don't want to price your products too low. So do some market research and see what everyone else in your niche is pricing their products at. Also, make sure to consider costs like production, shipping, and platform fees. Number 9, which I think is literally the most important, you need to plan out your marketing strategy. You need to develop some sort of plan for marketing your print-on-demand shop that includes social media, email marketing, and SEO. If you're not sure what SEO is search engine optimization, meaning keywords that your target audience would be searching for on platforms like Google are in your titles, in your descriptions, and all over your website page. That way, when they go to search something on Google, your store and your products and your social media pages are going to pop up because you're using those SEO keywords. Make sure you're also using Gelato's very helpful marketing tips and tricks to help you efficiently market your products to your target audience. And number 10, make sure to monitor and adjust your strategy. You want to make sure that the products and the way you are pushing out those products is actually working and actually being seen by people. So regularly check your sales as well as your customer feedback. Also make sure to adjust your product offerings. Maybe the design isn't working out. Maybe it's not the design, but it's the product. Go back and figure out what's going to work better for your audience. Or maybe your pricing is off, or maybe your marketing isn't working. Monitor what's going on and adjust so you can see the best results. When it comes to print on demand, doing a lot of research ahead of time is definitely a huge part of being successful in print on demand, but also choosing the right print supplier is really going to make your product stand out and give you peace of mind so you don't have to worry about the quality or the speed that these products are being sent out. So choosing Gelato is really going to set you ahead of the game, especially when you're just starting out with print on demand. If you are brand new to print on demand and you want to give Gelato a try, I have a link down below for you to sign up as a new shop on Gelato, and you will receive 50% off your first order, which is going to be great for ordering samples for videos so you can promote your products to your customers. I hope these tips were super helpful to you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and save the video so you can come back. Grab the link down below to sign up for your free Gelato account and grab your 50% off your first order discount. See you later, Rebel.